Alright guys, down here at Salt Creek again. We got dollar bet, got the 3 flag bonus. Let's see what happens. Alright, 4 flags that time. Hell yeah. Get down here. Still got the maxed out grand of $18,888.80 with the major of $750. So let's see what happens. Come on, balls. Nope. Hope this thing does something spectacular. Come on, balls. Nope. Come on, nothing's dead spin. Alright. Well, we've got the 9s all the way across. Up to $27 so far. Come on, balls. Don't dumb it. Come on, balls. There we go. They're small ones, but I'll take the bonus and the bonus for sure. Come on. Words and big numbers. Words and big numbers. Come on, save it. Save it this time. That'll work too. Guys, like and subscribe on my channel. I'm trying to get it up to, more than, I've got 14 subscribers so far, and I appreciate that, but I'd like to have a lot more. $28 on the holy spin. Got 2 games left. Let's do it again. Come on, balls. Wow. Alright. $55.60. That'll work. Started out with 40 bucks in this machine. I've doubled it so far. But the big numbers coming out. Come on, one more. Oh. All right.